Hi friends, welcome to Cooking Craft, and this is Sadhana, and today's recipe is
Grated carrot rice. Friends, this is very easy and very simple and quick to make, even for the beginners and for the bachelors and for the working women. And this is very flavorful and very healthy also. It's a must try recipe. So let's quickly go into the recipe and see how to make it. The pan is hot. Now what we are going to do is we are just going to add oil. So I am using about 3 spoons of oil. You can also use 2 if you want less oil. So this recipe goes very well with a lot of side dishes. The oil is hot and I am just using some rye and jeera, that is mustard seeds and cumin seeds. We will not keep it on a very high flame. This is a very quick and fast recipe. The beginners can do, the bachelors can do that. And I am adding also some cashew nuts. Oh, some mustard is here. And also I am adding some kismis in this. That is the dry grapes. That is all optional. If you want to add, you can add, or you can also skip. But mostly when you give it to the kids, this way they eat a lot of nuts and dry fruits. So this is one way to feed them. So at this point I am going to add some green chilies. Now if the kids are eating, you can also slit the green chili, or you can also skip it. I am going to add some onions. It's very simple and very tasty. When you come back from work, you're tired, you can give such healthy food to the family, which is made very quickly. And this can be also made with your left out rice. We're going to add some curry leaves, optional. If you want, you can add, but then curry leaves are very good for your health, hair, skin. Lot of iron content in curry leaves. So whenever you get a chance to add that in your food, please do that. Now we'll allow the onions to become transparent. Now that onions are done, I am going to add the grated carrots. So there is no hard and fast rule how much carrot you have to add. But still, for this particular portion, this is a single portion, and for this I am giving all the measurements in the end of the video. But if you like carrots and good season, carrot season, you can also add more of carrots. So we'll allow this carrot to cook for a minute now. The carrot is cooked. It just took about 40 seconds. It's well cooked. Now I am adding some coriander leaves to it. At this point, when you add, it gives a very good flavor in the rice. So that's why I'm adding now and not garnishing on the top. So we'll cook this. At this point, we will also add some salt. Now if you have added salt in your rice, check before you add it. Otherwise, according to your taste, you can add salt. So people who like to eat less masala, this kind of recipes are very good for them. And for elderly also, if you have some elderly people at home, these are very good and they digest very fast. Now at this point, I am adding some steamed rice into this. Now if you want to make it with fresh rice, cook the rice, and if you want to add salt, you can add a little salt in your rice. And what you can do is allow that, remove it in a plate, allow it to cool down under the fan, or put it in the fridge for a couple of like about 15-20 minutes, and then do this. Don't make it with hot rice because it gets very mushy. And also another tip is like you can reduce or increase as per your requirement. Like if you like more carrot, you can add, even the dry fruits can be added. Or if you want to reduce the spice, you can reduce the spice. No hard and fast rule that this is what it is. But today I am giving you a measurement for a single portion. So what happens is, when you want to make for 3 or 4 people, it will just you can just add and increase the measurement as per this measurement which is given, which is 250 grams of cooked rice. Okay, at this point I am also adding a little bit of ghee, which will give a very good flavor to the rice. We will just add it in the last and just give it a nice mix. So ghee is optional, but as we all know, kids love ghee, and this is an additional ingredient for the kids to eat, and it becomes very interesting. So now this is ready and we will plate it. Our carrot rice is ready. Friends, you have seen how quickly this was made, and it's a very interesting recipe, and this goes with lot of side dishes, raita, potato fry, or if you're a non-veg, with eggs and chicken, and so many side dishes you can have. And it's very good for carrying it to schools and offices also. Do try this recipe, friends, and if you like my recipes, please share it with your family and friends. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and motivate me for more and more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.